Welcome to the golden bloom of Southern California, where the mountains awaken in spring, blanketed in waves of wild yellow. Every year, this moment takes my breath away. And now, you don't have to imagine it. You're here with me in the heart of it. Take a deep breath and let's wander through nature's golden miracle together.
This was filmed on the Insta360 X5. If you want to see how it was done, the full review and tutorial are linked. Follow for more immersive journeys with me and Kimchi.
that was a good shot.